Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Cyberpunk 2077 game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So go to Steam. After searching for the game, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. These are all the required specs so that you can play the game hassle-free. Make sure your PC have all of these requirements. And after that, try to launch the game. If the game is not launching, go to the next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, and here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to solve the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall and network protection. Allow an app through firewall. Change settings. After that, here you have to select the game. If it is not listed, click on allow another app, click on browse. Go to the game folder, select the game application, add the game application to the list. After that, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, wait for some time and after that launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to run game as administrators. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If the game is not launching, come back, again select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game. If the game is still not launching, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and now try to play the game and see. But if the issue still continues, come back, again uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads and here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You need to log into Steam again, confirm it and after that log into Steam with your username and password and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to play the game. Next is to delete temp files. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type temp and then press OK. After the folder opens, you have to simply select everything and finally click on the delete icon. So this will delete all the temp files. Once the temp files are deleted, now try to launch the game and check. The next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. Go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under background processes, here you have to select the app that is running in the background without any use. Simply select it, right click on it, click on end task. Now after doing this, try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below, click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it and after that you will get repair or install option. Click on repair, wait for some time. Once it is completed, close this, restart your PC and now log into the game and check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. Hopefully this will surely help to fix the program because many a times antivirus software stops you from playing the game. So it's suggested to disable the antivirus software before you launch the game and then try to play it. Next is to install DirectX. So for that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, click on the download option and this will download DirectX on your system. After that, install it. Once you install it, now try to launch the game and check if this helps to solve the problem. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and then check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add desktop app. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add the game application to the list. Now after that, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and then check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Cyberpunk 2077 game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Cyberpunk 2077 game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions to fix Cyberpunk 2077 game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.